What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Maverick protocol, which has gained over 34% in value in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at just over 63 cents. So we're going to be going through what is next for Maverick protocol. Is it going to hit the dollar mark anytime soon, and looking at its short-term prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2024, how high can it go, or even how low can it go, and essentially covering both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is this a crypto to be investing into right now? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, should you sell it and take out your profit, or is it worth holding on to it? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are looking at the candlestick pattern chart, and we are looking at the 4-hour chart right now. We can see here the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Maverick protocol, which is here in purple, as you guys can see, at just about 52 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in green at nearly 64 cents, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 15-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, 4-hour, and potentially the daily chart as well for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 15-minute chart, here we do have the blue and the orange line here at the bottom, which is the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, so it is looking quite skeptical. The blue line is looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the orange line is looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So what does this mean for Maverick protocol? So essentially, due to the both lines going in a opposite direction to each other, an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected, how according to the graph. However, over the next 12 to 14 hours, so essentially towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting Maverick protocol to have gone for an overall minimal drop in value, potentially dropping down to just over 60 cents is what I'm expecting. Reason for the drop is, as you guys can see, over the last 24 hours it has pumped up 34%, meaning it is slightly overvalued right now, so it is due for a little bit of a step back in value over the next couple of hours. Don't get me wrong, it is likely to pump up higher over the next few hours, potentially up to about 67, even 70 cents, around that price range. But by the end of the day today, it is likely to start dropping down in value towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow, dropping down to around just about 60 cents in value is what my expectations are at the moment. Moving on to the hourly chart, over the next 24 to 36 hours, we have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning an overall minimal gain in value is what is expected from Maverick protocol over the next 24 to 48 hours. So over the next day or two, the crypto is likely to be heading over near about 70 cents in value is what I'm expecting. Reason for that is you have to take into consideration the red candles in between as well. As I mentioned earlier on in the video, over the next 12 to 14 hours, it is likely to drop down to around 60 cents in value, and from there on it is likely to slowly start gaining value up to just about 70 cents in value is what I'm expecting by Wednesday to Thursday this week. So the next day or two, hovering around 70 cents in value is what my expectations are at the moment, but do expect red candles in between where the crypto is likely to take a little bit of a dip. Now, moving on to the 4-hour chart over the next 2 to 3 weeks, guys. So essentially towards the end of January, early February, the blue and the orange line are still looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, they are looking quite steep. Reason they're looking quite steep is because of the major pump that's been taking place over the last couple of days or week even. As you guys can see, over the last week it has gained 56%, which is quite a major pump, especially that the crypto market has been taking a little bit of a dip. Maverick protocol has been gaining value, so it has not been trending like the crypto market, or performing as well as the crypto market, not as well, but following a similar trend to the crypto market is what I'm saying. So over the next week or two, guys, potentially towards the end of January, early February, I'm expecting Maverick protocol to be hovering around 79 to 83 cents in value. Somewhere around that price range is where I'm expecting it to be heading to. However, yes, I'm expecting an overall increase in value, but in between that time, do expect dips. And if there are any major updates on Maverick protocol which can have an impact on it, either in a positive or negative direction, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's go into the CoinMarketCap website. Here we can see the trading volume has gone up over 430% in the last 24 hours, making it $80 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. Due to the fact that the crypto has been pumping like crazy over the last 24 hours, a lot more people are looking to trade the crypto, a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general just a lot more traders, which is also helping the value of Maverick protocol pump up as well. However, if you are investing right now, make sure your risk management is on point, because it has pumped up quite a bit. And as I mentioned earlier on in the video, I am expecting Maverick protocol to go through a price correction potentially over the next couple of hours and days as well, before it slowly starts to pump back up. So yeah, I'm not saying invest or don't invest. All I'm saying is make sure your risk management is on point. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Maverick, guys. Can this crypto hit the dollar mark in 2024? Yes, personally, I am expecting it to hit the dollar mark by mid-year is when I'm expecting it to hit that. We're going to have to take it slowly because we want it to be sustainable. So slow and steady always wins the race, guys. So potentially the dollar mark should be here by mid-year is what my expectations are. Comment down below, when are you guys expecting this crypto to hit the dollar mark? Let me know, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And if it can go way above the dollar mark, comment down below how high are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And also, if there are any other cryptocurrencies that you guys want me to make a video on or predictions on, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. And yeah, that is pretty much it. At the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.